These pieces have to be my top 5 pieces that I have ever gotten.
Enlightened creature here, ain't no man that I'ma fear. Godly and I hardly fuck with peasants. Go and fetch my beer.
What's good, YouTube? It's your homeboy Camcorder Banks, the headwear connoisseur, streetwear lover, straight like that. Y'all know how that goes, man. Welcome to my channel, Cooler with Camcorder, where you will get content focused on streetwear, sneaker content, and menswear fashion, all in the same sitting. Now today, as y'all can see from the beginning of the video, man, and from the titles, man, I did some shopping at Urban Outfitters. Now, I seen some of the most fire pieces that I have seen in a long time. I don't shop at Urban Outfitters too much, but I ran into Urban Outfitters like not too long ago, and I seen some pieces that I just couldn't keep my hands from buying. Now these pieces have to be my top 5 pieces that I have ever gotten. Like out of all the brands that I have, matter of fact, to be honest, it's one piece that I have bought that beats top 5, that has to be in the top 5 category for most fire pieces that I have ever bought, not counting my sneakers, but till this day. So without further ado, man, let's just hop right into it. Let's check out these pieces real quick and let's get to this bag, man. Boom! Alright, y'all. Now I would say this is an unboxing, but not today. This is an unbagging, I guess. Urban Outfitters, one, they always keep these bags that's fire. I love these. I love how they switch up their bag style. And you know, totes are really like popular as of right now, so I got this tote bag, which is pretty dope. So right off the back, that's amazing to me in the first place. First piece that's up in here, let me put this bag down. I just want to show y'all the bag real quick. Like I said, get to the bag. All right, first piece up. Boom! So I'm into like utility vests, man. It's something that I've been searching for before it got even popular. I wasn't searching for a utility vest. I was searching for fisherman's vest, actually, because I think that was fire. It was like a 90s fashion back then, big fisherman's vest. But now all of a sudden it's like utility vest that's pretty popular. And now this is one of like the utility bags, like the chest straps. So everybody think like, oh my God, it's a bulletproof vest. What? No, it's a bag, bro. It's a bag. Got zippers, got pockets, you can stash it in, stash your phone. It got different type of, I don't know if you can see that because it's black, but on the inside it got like different areas where you can put things like notes, your wallet. It's different pouches on the inside of the pouch, like different sections. So it's 3 different sections in here. One on the left side, one on the right side, and then one big area on the inside. And it's not like one of them strap pieces. I'm really not into like the bags that you carry on your shoulders. Like really, I'm not really too much into that. I think it's still dope, but this here is pretty fire, because you can wear this with something that's like an essential t-shirt. Y'all see like what I do with this when I wear this in the photo shoot. Y'all see how it looks. So go ahead and follow me on my Instagram. With that being said, follow me on my Instagram right there. Make sure y'all follow. And with that being said, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button too. But like I was saying, what you do with this is you unhook this strap, put it right on, boom. Have a piece that go up under here, strap it on, and you're good to go. You might as well say you ready for war, man. Hop out the airplane, hop out the jet, man. Make sure you got your parachute all good to go. But I actually like this. It's pretty fire to me. It's like fun, entertaining for like streetwear fashion. Is pretty fire. And this came out at a whopping $34.99 out of here. So I think this is a pretty good pricing. It's a lot of other bags that's like this that's running for like 70, 80 bones, or some are running for like 125. So go in Urban Outfitters and you'll get this for $34.99. Of course, $35 altogether with taxes. It came out to like 37 bones or something like that. But it's well worth it, man. I actually like this bag, bro. You don't want to have to keep everything anchored on your arm and everything just dragging you down because you have too much stuff. You don't want to really worry about your pockets getting pickpocketed or anything like that. You could wear a dope vest like this and be very fashionable for a low pricing. All right, next up, like I said, this one piece that I have has to be top 5 of all pieces that I have. Let me just get right to it. Let me just grab this piece for y'all. Bam! Ooh, this is fire. Look, this is another jean jacket. Y'all know I'm into jean jackets. It's not like your regular jean jacket that you will have with all the buttons and everything on it. This is a really casual type of jacket, and you all know that like the floral look is in right now, and I'm not just going for right now. This is a timeless piece. I'm not looking for anything that's just like right now, so it's in and the next season it's out. This is something that I could wear for streetwear. This is something I could wear if I wanted to do something like a lounge type of wear, if I wanted to wear some nice chinos, if I wanted to wear some nice straight leg pants, or just something that's really classy like corporate casual. I could get away with this jacket. It's not too many places where you could go with the jean jacket and somebody say, hey, that's a nice casual wear. This It's really casual. It has this nice floral print on it. It looked like the old-fashioned, old-maid fashion type of jackets where people used to do knitting. That's what really caught my eye. It looked like that old-fashioned knitting that they used to do back then in the day. If you look closer at this fabric, you'll see what I'm talking about. It looks stitched in. It looks like, of course it's stitched in, but I mean that old woven style that they used to do. And on here, it has that old floral look. I love these colors on here. It got teal, this forest green, it got pink, it got this creamish look on here, this sort of like this khaki look. You could barely see it because it blends in with the off-white type of color, this like creamish looking color. So yeah, with these colors, it go perfect for the summer, spring, and the fall. Like if you wanted to wear this in the winter, I guess you can, but I wouldn't say so. But this is fire. You can wear this anytime. It's a timeless piece, bro. So I am going to have this jacket around for a while. You're definitely gonna see this in my collection for a while. I'm not gonna grab this, wear this once, and throw it away. That hell no. This is that fire. Again, this is at Urban Outfitters. It went for $79. Like I said, the fabric on here is just crazy. The design on here, the pattern is fire, and of course it's Urban Outfitters. Like, come on, man. Like, let's keep it funky. It's gonna be costly, a little costly if you're going to Urban Outfitters. Plus, it's different fashions that's on the inside of Urban Outfitters. That's other than going to like Uniqlo or anything like that, or going to a regular H&M. This look definitely sets you out. It makes you step out. And you don't have to wear this a lot. Now, with that being said, those were my two pieces that I just wanted to show y'all that I had to cop when I went to Urban Outfitters, man. It was fire. It was worth every penny that I spent. I'm happy that I even got these pieces, man, which y'all will be seeing in my photos soon on my IG. So make sure, again, y'all follow my IG. With that being said, if this is your first time watching one of my videos or you just returning, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Go ahead, smack on that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell while you wear it, because every time I drop some fire, I want you to be able to follow the heat wave that I'm bringing. And while you at it, go ahead and hit that like button, man, because this is going to help me grow my channel to its fullest potential. I'm looking for you all's help, so go ahead and hit that like button if you really did enjoy this video. So help your boy out. Now, with all that being said, man, thank y'all for watching my quick video, man, for my quick pickups. I'm your homeboy Camcorder Banks. I'll catch up with y'all next time. I'm out. I'm gone. I'll holler at you. Peace.
Enlightened creature here. Ain't no man that I'm a